Today I'm making homemade waffles with salted coffee caramel sauce made with Nespresso Aged Sumatra coffee. In a large bowl, add 280 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. I'm using 2 large free-range eggs and I'm separating my egg whites from the yolks. In a jar, I'm mixing together buttermilk, milk, melted butter, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. In a medium bowl, beat the egg whites with a hand mixer until stiff peaks form. Now add the egg yolk mixture to the dry ingredients and mix well using a hand mixer. Fold in the egg whites, mix gently, and rest batter for 20 minutes in room temperature. Now heat your waffle iron and using a pastry brush, brush melted butter evenly. Once your waffle iron is ready, pour the batter and let it cook until you get a nice, beautiful golden brown waffle. Now let's make our salted coffee caramel sauce. Melt 70 grams of salted butter and add 150 grams of soft brown sugar. Mix well until your sugar is completely melted and add 300 grams of double cream. Now add 30 ml of Nespresso Aged Sumatra coffee and stir to combine. Add salt if you need to and let it cool completely. Now serve your waffle with vanilla ice cream and your salted coffee caramel sauce. So there you go. Try my homemade waffle with salted coffee caramel sauce, best paired with Nespresso Aged Sumatra coffee.